If you need to upload a file in OneDrive and share a link quickly, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you want to send a document, photo, video, or any other file, OneDrive makes it easy to store it in the cloud and share it with just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to OneDrive Live and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're inside OneDrive, you'll see your cloud storage dashboard where all your folders and files are organized. Next, open the folder where you want to upload the file. You can choose an existing folder if you want to keep things organized, or stay in the main area if you want the file stored at the top level. Taking a second to choose the right folder now will make it much easier to find and manage your files later. Now look for the Upload button at the top of the screen. Click Upload, then choose Files from the drop-down menu. This tells OneDrive that you want to upload a file directly from your computer. A file picker window will open, and from there you can browse your device and find the file you want to upload. Select the file from your computer, then click Open. Once you do that, OneDrive will start uploading the file automatically. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. While it uploads, it's best to wait until the process fully completes before moving on, so the file is properly saved to your OneDrive account. After the upload finishes, find the uploaded file and select it. Then, at the top of the page, click Share. This is the option that lets you create and control a shared link for your file. OneDrive gives you a few sharing choices, and the one you pick depends on who you want to access the file. You can choose anyone with the link if you want the file to be accessible to anyone who receives the link, or if you want better control and more privacy, choose Specific People. That way, only the people you invite will be able to open the file. Next, select the permission level. If you only want others to see the file, choose Can View. If you want them to be able to make changes, choose Can Edit. If OneDrive asks you to confirm the settings, click Apply. After that, click Copy Link. The link is now saved to your clipboard, which means you can paste it into an email, message, document, or anywhere else you want to share it. Just send the copied OneDrive link to the people you want to access the file. And that's it. You've now uploaded a file to OneDrive and created a shared link in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to back up your files, collaborate with others, and share content without sending large attachments. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.